Couple Joy app review plus tutorial for beginners. So it's pretty much used for partners all around the world. So if you want to use it, you can connect with your partner by having them use the same app. But to use it, of course, you're gonna have to install it, either your Google Play or Play Store. But anywhere you could download it, then just go ahead and open. Eventually, you'll be led to basically log in or create your own account. You'll be asked to make your name, a profile, your Gmail, and then a password. But once you have done that, you'll be greeted with the actual dashboard. So again, it's designed to help couples, especially long distance ones, stay connected through daily questions, quizzes, shared memories, and widgets that show relationship data. So like how long you've been together and more stuff like that. So according to app supports, the app has a safety score of a lot actually and is considered most likely legit, and it is. So you can go ahead and talk to your partner as so. Um, you'll be able to create a journal with them, but again, you're gonna have to connect with your partner over here first. There's also a subscription. If you want more features into the Couple Joy app, you could always go ahead and look into this, and if it's worth it for you, then go ahead and do so. But to connect with your partner, just go ahead and press on that, and then you'll be able to send a code to your partner. Then if you want to enter your partner's code, just go ahead and press this section over here where you can add the code of your partner. But once you have finished all that, you should be introduced to most of the features of Couple Joy app, except for the ones that are locked behind a paywall. So again, it is excellent for couples who want to build habits and deeper conversations, very useful for long distance relationships. Visually nice, meaningful journaling plus memory tracking. Widgets add a fun, tangible way to show relationship milestones on your phone. But you can definitely explore more into the Couple Joy app directly here in the app, of course. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.